Hello everybody, today I've got the Abloy Disc Lock Pro. Well, that's either a Disc Lock or a Disc Lock Pro. It's got the Disc Lock Pro profile on number 3 and the last disc, but hasn't got the, the security rail that goes around the key, you know what I mean? So take it what it is. It's either a Disc Lock or a Disc Lock Pro. It's half. 9 discs, I believe. I got this off eBay. They were selling for 20 quid, but I put it offering for a tenner and got it for a tenner. So, like you see, Abloy have got a way of switching things up with all their locks, making all different profiles and all that kind of stuff. That's why I like that company for. It does a half turn. There's your key bit in, as you can see, it's exactly like the Pro key, but without the little security rail that goes on there, the controller, what do you call it. So I've made this pick. This is the exact same shape as to get past the control disc. In this little tensioner that just slots onto the control disc, so I'll be tensioning off the control disc on number 3 and setting the last one. So we'll do that first, and then we'll have a look at the lock. So tensioner number 3 on my thing in the last disc. Just set that. That's the 2 control discs set, where the return bars work off. Right, that's that set. It's very targeted, this lot once you get some of the discs picked. Back to the number. I think that's it. Let's check that one. That's set. There we go, it's picked. And get it off the vise. As you can see, it's fully picked. Yeah, fully picked. Half turn. Just lock the thing back up, but there we go, picked. Now we'll go to this thing. I'll show you what I mean. It's like I'd say it's like a disc lock with a disc lock Pro profile plate. I'll just put this bit of copper on. And you see this one, I've never seen nothing like this before. There's your sidebar channel. There you go, and look at that. So you've got the discs, and it's mastered this one as well, the master on that. So you've got the 1, 2 discs before you get the profile plate, which is a Abloy Pro Disc Lock Pro, that profile plate. Anyway, got it. Sidebar, spring sidebar. Just put that there. And we'll get these in, we'll have a look at them. Interesting lock, like I've never seen anything like this before. First time I've seen anything like that. I'll just put them ones in there, the washers. Definitely mastered up well. That's why it probably made it pick easier. There, if you can see there, profile plate. See it? See it? That's a Pro. It's a Pro profile plate. That's a controller as well. About controls them two return bars. Look at the mastering on this one. Bloody hell. It's got 4 cuts and that. If it turns both ways, that means it could just mean it turns both ways and it picks up the opening, but this turns one way, so that tells you it's mastering. You know what I mean? If you turn the lock left and right, that usually tells you that it's just that. That means the gates are for that, but when the lock turns one way only, that means it's mastered right up. Hopefully this camera does not die out, because it's got a knack of dying out after 8 minutes. So I'm going to have to speed this bad boy up. Come on. They're stuck together. One turn want to go. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. Another mastered right up. And the profile plate. Come on. There's a profile plate on that one, let's get that off. And there's your 2 return bars there, see them? There. Damn, they're tiny then. There's your two return bars there. And that is your core for that one. So let's have a look at this. As you can see, oops. You can see there, so on 1 is dead big massive gate. On 2 we've got 1, 2, 3 mastered cuts. On that one we've got 4, and that one got 2, and that one we've got 1, that's 1, that's 1, and that's with 1, 2, 3, 4. So a lot of I'll show you a few close up. Let's have a look at that one. The false gates are not that, you do get a lot of clicking on them, see it? And then have a look at these profile plates. So I'd say it's an Abloy disc lock with the profile, with the profiles in it, with the Pro profile plate on it. And that's the pick I had to make, see it? Exactly the same shape as that profile, I'll show you. Not with it a deal like. As you can as you can see, watch, see the profile. See if I can get that like that. Yeah. See it? That's the shape it is. It focuses. See the shape? That's the shape you've got to make. You can see they're selling them on eBay, and there's a tensioner which I put little cuts in, so it just fitted on the profile plate and tension off that. So there we go. Right, here's your Abloy Disc Lock Pro, whatever you want to call it. I'll just put that in, Abloy Disc Lock Pro /Pro. And there you go. Look at that one for a minute. Picked and got it. Like I say, I wanted to mention something. This giveaway is just for people who wanted this Abloy Century pick and tensioner. I will be doing a giveaway for me 800 subscriber giveaway, which I'll be doing a bunch of locks, which I'll sort out sooner or later, you know what I mean. So there you go, guys. Hopefully have some more videos very soon. Thanks for watching. Laters, bye.